think, what's he done today?
Who have you got there?
He pooped. That was exactly what it was.
Hi, baby Dario.
Solid?
Oh, hi.
Not solid.
Hi, baby Dario.
Mario
Baby
called,
Dario.
Chica called. They send all the...
Oh, you're all so wiggly. You're so wiggly.
Who's a good bird?
Hey, Mr. Wrinkles. Videoing. You gonna make some noise? Make some noise.
Wake up. Wakey.
It's his tiny feet.
Let's play.
Come on, Neil. Okay, smile. That's so funny. Mama getting you?
Tico, tico.
Look at all that hair. It's even parted nice. Is that your Precious? Precious number 2?
Diego's colic is on this side.
Is it?
I say we fell them apart. One has part here and the other one has a part on this side. Okay.
Just right away. This is welcome party. It's Elmo. Jacob, pass the napkins out, babe. Mom, there might be some. Oh, we gotta have spoons. There might be plastic spoons. Look up above the left of the stove. There's a plastic bag. Up above, not the stove. Keep going. Clear to the left, right there. There's a plastic bag that's got some plastic silverware.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, then just use regular spoons.
All these try circles, yeah.
Stand by your brother so I can take your picture.
Wait, you gotta get my
I'm
camera.
on this side, Mom, so the sun's coming in.
You should get our family with us.
Here, Grandma, let me get one more with you.
Say cheese.
Diego, come on, sit over here by Mama and wear your hat.
You sit by your brother?
Come on, Diego, let's all wear our hat.
You're gonna wear that hat?
You want me to wear the other one?
No, that one's funny.
Here. Cheese.
Look
One,
at cheese. Look
two,
at Nathan. Look at Nathan.
cheese.
Look
One,
at me.
Who's next?
2, 3. Diego, cheese.
Me. Diego, look at Graham. 1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Turnips.
Cheese.
Big turnips.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Look at Graham. Grammy, one more time. 1,
Oh no,
2.
watch out for Dario.
Whoa. That ran from fast. Diego, look at me.
Cheese.
I think I got a pretty good one.
That's funny.
Get
The
one.
Elmo family, Diego.
Look at Grammy. Look at Graham. Look at Graham.
Look,
Up here.
look,
Up
look,
here.
look up here.
Look up here.
Look
Hey.
at Graham.
Say, show me happy.
Oh, happy, Diego.
Happy. Yay! Like, I'm over it.
Enough of that hat. Just